Hello and welcome. In this video, I will tell you about 11 ways to drive free traffic to your website. So let's start. Number 1. Create a Google My Business account. Did you know that an optimized Google My Business listing gets 7x more visits than an incomplete one? Don't forget that you're listing links to your website, so this is a great way to get more traffic to your site. If your listing provides all of the information a potential customer needs to make a decision, they might forego your website and contact your business directly, even better than a website visit. Number 2. Write compelling titles and meta description. This includes producing high-quality content that your audience is searching for, and writing concise meta descriptions for your pages. The meta description appears below your URL in search results. It gives a general idea about the content of the particular page, and a compelling description is likely to get more clicks. Number 3. Get listed on the web. Another way to increase traffic is to get listed in free online directories and review sites. For most of these sites, your profile will have a link to your website, so actively updating these listings and getting positive reviews is likely to result in more website traffic. There's a chance that your business's free Yelp page could rank high for relevant searches, which could help drive more traffic to your site. Number 4. Start with social media. Use Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to promote blog posts and other useful content. This is the best way to get your social media followers to visit your site, as well as users who follow the people who share your content. Creating useful content is free, and is not as hard as it may seem. Number 5. Use hashtags. By adding hashtags to your published posts, you can extend your reach beyond your network and get discovered by users searching for your products and services. The more eyes on your links, the more free traffic you're getting to your website. Number 6. Use landing pages. These are pages specific to your offers, such as for redeeming a discount code, downloading a free guide, or starting a free trial. Because landing pages are so precise, you can get very targeted in your messaging, increasing the traffic coming to those pages. Number 7. Target long-tail keywords. While short-tail keywords are searched frequently, it is more challenging to rank for them on search engines. Targeting long-tail keywords, on the other hand, gives you a better chance of ranking higher for queries specific to your products and services, and more top ranking means more traffic. Plus, as search engines and voice-to-text capabilities advance, people are using more specific phrases to search online. There are many free tools available to help you find keywords to target, such as the Google Keyword Research tool. Number 8. Start email marketing. Sending out regular newsletters and promoting offers through email is a great way to stay in touch with your customers. Within your emails, provide useful information and links to pages on your website. This way your customers can learn more about your blog posts and landing pages for particular offers. Also, put careful thought into your email subject lines. These heavily influence whether or not a user opens your email. If your emails never get opened, they will not supply traffic to your site. This method of increasing website traffic is free, so long as your email marketing tool is free. Many platforms, such as MailChimp, have a free version you can start with. Number 9. Guest blog. Having an industry influencer publish a blog post on your site, or turning an interview with them into a blog post can help. Blogging can get you traffic through organic search and via that influencer promoting the content to their audience. This can also help to add more variety to your content and show your visitors that you are active in your field. You can also be a guest blogger. Identify complementary businesses in your area whose audience is relevant to your business. See if you can contribute a post to their blog with a link back to your website. Number 10. Engage online. It's free to be active in online groups and on websites that are relevant to your business and community. Comment on blogs and social media posts, answer questions people are posting, and participate in conversations about your industry. The more you engage with your community, the more exposure and profile visits you get. If your social media profiles contain a link to your website, then you've turned your engagement into another channel for website traffic. Number 11. Learn from your analytics. Google Analytics is free to use, and the insights gleaned from it can help you to drive further traffic to your website. Use tracking links for your marketing campaigns, and regularly check your website analytics. This will enable you to identify which strategies and types of content work, which ones need improvement, and which ones you should not waste your time on. So, these are 11 free ways to drive more and more traffic to your website. If you still need help with traffic, see the link in the description and contact us. We guarantee you to solve your traffic problems with updated search engine optimization techniques. If this video helps you in any way, please like it as an appreciation, and for more updates, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you soon. Goodbye.